Here is a summary of 2023 year in review in blockchain, cryptocurrency, NFTs including ordinals and stamps, Metaverse and virtual land, decentralized autonomous organizations, AI, augmented reality and virtual reality, and space technologies. Blockchain in 2023, global blockchain market size continued to grow, surpassing previous years. Ethereum fully transitioned to Ethereum 2.0, utilizing proof of stake to reduce energy consumption. Non-fungible token sales surged, creating new markets in digital art and collectibles. Decentralized finance platforms saw a significant increase in user adoption. Blockchain technology was increasingly used for supply chain transparency and tracking. Multiple countries explored or launched central bank digital currencies. Cross-chain interoperability became a major focus to enhance blockchain utility. Layer 2 scaling solutions for Ethereum, like Optimism and Arbitrum, gained popularity. Blockchain applications in healthcare for secure data sharing began to emerge. Environmental concerns led to the development of more eco-friendly blockchain solutions. Security token offerings gained traction as an alternative to traditional IPOs. Blockchain was used in voting systems to increase transparency and reduce fraud. Smart contracts became more sophisticated, enabling complex decentralized applications. Blockchain as a service offerings from major tech companies expanded. Blockchain in education began to be used for verifying academic credentials. The tokenization of real-world assets onto blockchain platforms increased. Decentralized autonomous organizations became more prevalent. Blockchain was increasingly used in gaming for digital asset management. Blockchain technology played a role in energy trading and renewable energy certificates. Regulations around blockchain and cryptocurrency saw significant developments. Stablecoins gained popularity due to their reduced volatility compared to other cryptocurrencies. Blockchain was used in the music industry for rights management and direct artist payments. Privacy-focused blockchain and cryptocurrencies saw increased usage. Blockchain was used for digital identity verification processes. Interoperability between different blockchain networks improved. Quantum-resistant blockchain technologies began to be developed. Blockchain was increasingly used in the insurance industry for fraud prevention and claims processing. Use of blockchain in real estate for transparent transactions and record-keeping grew. Supply chains using blockchain became more resilient and transparent. Blockchain-based gaming platforms and ecosystems flourished. Token staking became a popular way to earn passive income. Retail and e-commerce industries began adopting blockchain for payment processing and supply chain management. Blockchain was used for tracking the provenance of luxury goods and artwork. Blockchain technology helped in the fight against counterfeiting and piracy. Smart cities began to integrate blockchain for various municipal functions. Blockchain was used in the legal sector for smart contracts and record authentication. Blockchain-based social media platforms emerged, focusing on data privacy and user control. The integration of AI and blockchain started to create new possibilities in various sectors. Sports and esports industries adopted blockchain for fan engagement and merchandise authenticity. Blockchain technology played a role in humanitarian aid and transparent charity donations. Tokenization of intellectual property rights gained momentum. Blockchain-enabled digital notaries became more common. The concept of decentralized data storage using blockchain gained traction. Blockchain was used in the automotive industry for supply chain and vehicle history tracking. Blockchain-based loyalty and reward programs were introduced in various sectors. Increased use of blockchain in agriculture for supply chain transparency and product traceability. Blockchain was used for environmental monitoring and carbon credit trading. Crowdfunding and peer-to-peer lending platforms using blockchain technology grew. Blockchain was utilized in the space industry for satellite communication and payload management. The adoption of blockchain in the public sector increased for various applications. Cryptocurrency in 2023, Bitcoin remained the most valuable and widely recognized cryptocurrency. Ethereum switched to proof of stake and Ethereum 2.0 reduced its energy consumption. The total market capitalization of all cryptocurrencies continued to fluctuate significantly. Central bank digital currencies gained more attention as several countries developed their own. Stablecoins, cryptocurrencies pegged to stable assets like the USD, saw increased usage. Decentralized finance platforms built on blockchain technology continued to grow. Cryptocurrency regulation debates intensified globally, with new policies emerging in various countries. Non-fungible tokens expanded beyond art into areas like music, gaming, and real estate. Layer 2 solutions, like Lightning Network for Bitcoin, improve transaction speed and scalability. Cryptocurrency adoption by mainstream financial services increased. Privacy-focused cryptocurrencies like Monero and Zcash remain popular among privacy advocates. Token staking became a common practice for earning interest on cryptocurrency holdings. Cryptocurrency mining faced regulatory challenges due to environmental concerns. Cross-chain interoperability became a key focus to enhance the functionality of different blockchains. The concept of Web3, a decentralized internet using blockchain, gained more traction. Major tech companies and financial institutions continued to invest in cryptocurrency technology. Security tokens, representing ownership in real-world assets, started to be more widely used. Cryptocurrency wallets became more user-friendly and secure. The number of Bitcoin ATMs worldwide continued to grow. Fractional ownership of assets through tokenization became more common. Social media platforms began integrating cryptocurrency payment and tipping options. Cryptocurrency scams and frauds prompted calls for better consumer education and protection. Mobile and contactless cryptocurrency payment solutions expanded. The use of cryptocurrencies for remittances in global transactions increased. Decentralized autonomous organizations gained popularity as a form of governance. Cryptocurrency adoption in emerging economies grew, often driven by currency instability. Sidechains and off-chain solutions were developed to address scalability issues. More educational resources and platforms for learning about cryptocurrencies became available. Quantum computing threats to cryptocurrency security sparked research into quantum-resistant algorithms. Cryptocurrency tax regulations and compliance became a significant focus for governments. Cryptocurrency-based crowdfunding platforms became popular for raising capital. Large-scale institutional investments in cryptocurrency signaled growing mainstream acceptance. Cryptocurrency derivatives markets, including futures and options, expanded. The rise of esports and online gaming saw increased integration of cryptocurrencies. Flash loans in decentralized finance allowed for uncollateralized loans within a single transaction. The art world embraced NFTs, leading to record-breaking digital art sales. Cryptocurrency exchanges implemented more robust security measures. Environmental sustainability initiatives in cryptocurrency mining gained momentum. The use of smart contracts in cryptocurrencies expanded beyond Ethereum. Cryptocurrency began to be used more frequently in luxury goods markets. Hardware wallet sales increased as users sought secure storage options. Crypto tourism, where travelers use cryptocurrency, started becoming more mainstream. The development of decentralized social media platforms using blockchain technology grew. Cryptocurrency integration in traditional banking systems increased. The use of AI in trading and managing cryptocurrency portfolios became more prevalent. Blockchain games, wherein game assets are NFTs, became more popular. The concept of decentralized identity on blockchain networks gained attention. Cryptocurrency use in charitable donations and nonprofit sectors grew. The development of insurance products for cryptocurrency holdings expanded. The role of cryptocurrencies in political and social movements became more pronounced. These points highlight the growing complexity, adoption, and influence of cryptocurrencies in various aspects of society and the economy as of 2023. Non-fungible tokens in 2023, the NFT market continued to expand beyond digital art into music, gaming, and real estate. NFTs became key elements in the emerging Web3 ecosystem. Celebrities and famous artists increasingly released their works as NFTs. Virtual real estate in Metaverse platforms was sold as NFTs for significant sums. NFTs started being used for intellectual property rights management. The concept of fractionalized NFT ownership allowed more people to invest in high-value NFTs. NFT galleries and exhibitions in both virtual and physical spaces became more common. Some NFT projects incorporated elements of decentralized finance. Major global auction houses like Christie's and Sotheby's held NFT auctions. Environmental concerns led to the creation of more eco-friendly NFTs on proof-of-stake blockchains. NFTs started to be used in the fashion industry for digital clothing and brand promotion. NFTs in the music industry provided artists with a new revenue stream and fan engagement. DAOs formed around NFT collections and projects. The concept of digital NFTs, blending physical items with digital tokens, grew in popularity. NFTs in sports included digital collectibles, highlights, and fan experiences. The gaming industry increasingly adopted NFTs for in-game items and assets. NFTs played a role in identity verification and access control in digital spaces. Luxury brands launched their own NFTs, combining luxury goods with digital art. some universities started issuing diplomas and credentials as NFTs. NFT marketplaces diversified, with specialized platforms emerging for different types of NFTs. NFTs were used for fundraising and charity, with certain tokens representing support for causes. AI-generated art became a popular genre within the NFT space. NFT royalties provided ongoing income for creators when their NFTs were resold. Virtual events and conferences issued tickets as NFTs to provide unique experiences. NFTs were used to represent ownership and membership in exclusive clubs and communities. The integration of AR and VR technology with NFTs created immersive experiences. NFTs for virtual pets and digital life forms became a trend. NFTs were used in the film and entertainment industry for funding and fan engagement. NFT theft and fraud led to increased focus on security and ownership verification. Cross-chain NFT projects emerged, allowing NFTs to move between different blockchains. NFTs in advertising and marketing allowed for innovative brand engagements. NFTs were used to tokenize real-world assets like cars, real estate, and luxury goods. The concept of dynamic NFTs, which can change over time based on external factors, gained popularity. NFTs played a role in digital identity and reputation systems in online communities. NFT loyalty programs were introduced by brands for customer engagement. NFT-based digital passports for access to multiple virtual spaces and events emerged. The concept of NFT staking, where holders can earn rewards, gained traction. NFTs in journalism and media were used to fund independent reporting and storytelling. The use of NFTs in personal branding and digital identity grew. NFTs became tools for preserving and archiving digital history and internet culture. Collaborative NFT art projects involving multiple artists and contributors became popular. NFTs started being used in the healthcare sector for patient data and research. Holographic NFTs, combining 3D holography with blockchain technology, emerged. Interactive NFTs that allow audience participation in art or decision-making grew in popularity. NFTs became a medium for performance art and interactive installations. Limited edition NFTs tied to physical experiences, like concerts or meet and greets, were offered. NFTs for preserving indigenous art and culture, supporting cultural heritage preservation. The use of NFTs in education for interactive learning materials and achievements. NFTs in supply chain management for verification and tracking of luxury goods. The rise of NFT influencers and creators who specialize in creating and promoting NFTs. These facts demonstrate the diverse and evolving nature of NFTs in various industries, reflecting their growing impact and potential beyond just digital art. Ordinals, stamps, BRC, SRC, and DRC in 2023. Ordinals, a concept in the blockchain world, refer to the unique identification of individual units of a cryptocurrency. They are often used in blockchains that do not support the traditional NFT standard. Ordinals can turn each unit of a cryptocurrency, like a Satoshi in Bitcoin, into a unique, distinguishable asset. This concept allows for the tokenization of digital assets directly on the Bitcoin blockchain. The introduction of ordinals marked a significant shift in how Bitcoin's underlying technology could be used. Ordinals led to new forms of digital art and collectibles being created on the Bitcoin blockchain. They provided a way to create and trade unique, non-fungible assets without needing a separate blockchain or layer. The use of ordinals could potentially increase the demand for block space on networks like Bitcoin. This innovation sparked discussions about the original purpose and future direction of Bitcoin. Ordinals could be seen as a way to bring NFT-like functionality to Bitcoin, expanding its use cases. Unlike ordinals, stamps are Bitcoin NFTs that are not prunable and therefore more permanent. Tokens on the Bitcoin network also established, including BRC and SRC. DRC also established, tied to the Dogecoin ecosystem. Metaverse in 2023. The concept of the metaverse continued to evolve, blending virtual reality, augmented reality, and the internet. Major tech companies invested heavily in metaverse development, seeing it as the next big platform. The metaverse became a space for social interaction, gaming, commerce, and education. Virtual reality concerts and events in the metaverse attracted global audiences. Digital fashion in the metaverse allowed users to outfit their avatars with exclusive virtual clothing. The metaverse began to influence real-world fashion and trends. Real estate in the metaverse, including land and buildings, became highly valuable. Virtual workplaces and offices in the metaverse allowed for remote collaboration in immersive environments. The metaverse provided new opportunities for digital art and exhibitions. Education and training in the metaverse offered immersive and interactive learning experiences. Cryptocurrencies and NFTs became common methods of transaction in the metaverse. Digital identities in the metaverse became as important as real-world identities for some users. The metaverse began to host major esports events and tournaments. Mental health and therapy services started being offered in the metaverse. Brands and companies launched marketing campaigns and virtual stores in the metaverse. Real-world events, like fashion shows and product launches, began having counterparts in the metaverse. Virtual tourism in the metaverse allowed users to explore recreated and fictional places. The metaverse started to integrate with traditional social media platforms. Virtual real estate agencies and brokers emerged, specializing in metaverse properties. Privacy and security concerns in the metaverse became a topic of significant discussion. The metaverse began to influence physical architecture and urban planning. Cross-metaverse compatibility and travel started to become a reality. Avatars in the metaverse became more realistic and customizable. AI-driven NPCs in the metaverse became indistinguishable from human users. Digital twin technology in the metaverse allowed for real-time simulation of real-world environments. Virtual land in 2023. Virtual land in the metaverse became a significant investment, with some plots selling for millions of dollars. The value of virtual land was influenced by location. Just like in the real world, virtual land ownership often came with governance rights in certain metaverse platforms. Renting and leasing virtual land for events and commerce became common. Virtual land development included building virtual homes, offices, and commercial spaces. Augmented reality layers started being added to virtual land, enhancing user experience. Virtual land in gaming environments became highly sought after for its potential revenue generation. The concept of virtual land expanded to include underwater and space environments. Virtual land was increasingly used for artistic expression and digital art installations. Some virtual lands were zoned for specific purposes, like residential, commercial, or entertainment. Virtual land auctions became a regular event in popular metaverse platforms. Collaboration between virtual landowners for community development initiatives increased. Virtual land ownership records were typically maintained on a blockchain for transparency and security. Environmental and sustainable design principles started being applied to virtual land development. Virtual land in educational platforms was used for creating interactive and immersive learning environments. Some physical real estate companies expanded into virtual land sales and development. Virtual land taxes and governance models began to emerge in some metaverse platforms. Mixed reality experiences combined physical and virtual land elements. Virtual land was used for experimental urban design and architectural projects. The concept of virtual national parks and protected areas for conservation education developed. Virtual land-based advertising and billboards became a revenue source in the metaverse. Virtual real estate investment trusts started to form around metaverse properties. Customizable weather and environmental conditions on virtual land allowed for unique experiences. Virtual land was used for large-scale social experiments and research in human behavior. Some virtual lands became iconic locations, similar to landmarks in the physical world. These facts showcase the expansive growth and diverse applications of the metaverse and virtual land, highlighting their potential to reshape many aspects of society and economy in 2023. Decentralized autonomous organizations in 2023. Decentralized autonomous organizations became a significant trend in the blockchain and cryptocurrency space. They represented a new form of organizational structure run entirely by smart contracts. Decentralized autonomous organizations allowed for decentralized decision-making processes without a central authority. The number of decentralized autonomous organizations increased dramatically, covering a wide range of industries and interests. Decentralized autonomous organizations were used to manage decentralized finance projects and protocols. They provided a way for communities to collectively own and manage assets. Governance tokens were commonly used in decentralized autonomous organizations to give voting rights to members. Some decentralized autonomous organizations focus on charitable causes, enabling decentralized philanthropy. The use of decentralized autonomous organizations in content creation and media allowed for community-driven projects. Decentralized autonomous organizations were employed in managing NFT collections and virtual real estate. The concept of a decentralized autonomous organization was applied to traditional businesses for decentralized management. Decentralized autonomous organizations played a role in political movements and social activism. Legal recognition of decentralized autonomous organizations became a significant topic of discussion. Decentralized autonomous organizations in the art world democratized access to art investments and decision-making. The rise of decentralized autonomous organizations led to new tools and platforms for decentralized autonomous organization creation and management. They facilitated global collaboration without the need for a traditional corporate entity. The transparency of decentralized autonomous organizations' operations and finances was one of their key features. Decentralized autonomous organizations were used in gaming, particularly in the governance of decentralized gaming platforms. Crowdfunding through decentralized autonomous organizations became an alternative to traditional fundraising methods. Decentralized autonomous organizations challenged traditional governance models in both corporate and non-corporate contexts. Some decentralized autonomous organizations focus on research and development in various scientific fields. The concept of decentralized venture capital emerged, with decentralized autonomous organizations funding early-stage projects. Decentralized autonomous organizations in education aim to decentralize and democratize learning resources and platforms. Real estate investment decentralized autonomous organizations allow collective ownership and management of physical properties. Decentralized autonomous organizations began to influence the development and governance of Web3 and decentralized internet services. The automation of administrative tasks in decentralized autonomous organizations was handled by smart contracts. Decentralized autonomous organizations for environmental initiatives focus on collective action for sustainability projects. The use of decentralized autonomous organizations in supply chain management offered transparency and collective governance. Music industry decentralized autonomous organizations provided a platform for artists and fans to collaborate and make decisions. Decentralized autonomous organizations and the sports industry enabled fan engagement in team decisions and management. The concept of worker decentralized autonomous organizations emerged, focusing on decentralized employment and task management. Decentralized autonomous organizations in healthcare sought to democratize medical research and patient data management. Tokenomics, the economic structure of tokens in a decentralized autonomous organizations became a key area of innovation and study. Some decentralized autonomous organizations were created for the purpose of acquiring and managing other companies or assets. The regulatory environment for decentralized autonomous organizations varied significantly across different jurisdictions. Decentralized autonomous organizations in fashion and design allowed for collective creation and decision-making processes. Conflict resolution and governance challenges within decentralized autonomous organizations became areas of focus and development. The use of decentralized autonomous organizations in event planning and management allowed for community-driven event organization. Decentralized autonomous organizations started to explore integration with traditional legal structures. The concept of decentralized autonomous organizations extended to community governance in residential and communal living spaces. Reputation systems within decentralized autonomous organizations help manage contributions and voting power of members. Decentralized autonomous organizations in space technology aim to democratize space exploration and research initiatives. The use of decentralized autonomous organizations for network and protocol governance in the blockchain space increased. Decentralized autonomous organizations provided a platform for experimenting with novel economic theories and models. Some decentralized autonomous organizations focus on the development and governance of AI technologies. The intersection of decentralized autonomous organizations and virtual reality created opportunities for decentralized virtual communities. Decentralized autonomous organizations in the publishing industry offered a new model for content creation, distribution, and funding. The trend of converting traditional businesses into decentralized autonomous organizations grew as part of the decentralization movement. Decentralized autonomous organizations in the gaming industry allowed players to have a say in game development and ecosystem management. The rise of decentralized autonomous organizations sparked global discussions on the future of work, governance, and collective decision-making. These facts underscore the diverse applications and growing influence of decentralized autonomous organizations in various sectors, reflecting their potential to reshape traditional organizational and governance structures in 2023. AI in 2023, AI models achieved near-human performance in various tasks, including language understanding. Generative AI models became popular for creating art, music, and other creative content. The focus on AI ethics and governance intensified, especially in data privacy and bias reduction. Advances in natural language processing led to more sophisticated conversational AI. AI played a critical role in healthcare for early disease diagnosis and personalized treatments. The use of AI in robotics extended beyond industrial applications to everyday life. Edge AI, where AI processing is done on local devices, saw increased adoption. AI personalized education experiences and augmented traditional teaching methods. Autonomous vehicle technology, heavily reliant on AI, moved closer to broad public adoption. AI became essential in cybersecurity for detecting and responding to threats. AI in finance and banking improved fraud detection and customer service. Emotional AI, capable of recognizing human emotions, was integrated into customer service platforms. AI-generated content began to challenge traditional content creation industries. AI in agriculture helped optimize crop yields and monitor farm conditions. AI-powered smart homes became more intuitive and user-friendly. The use of AI in sports for performance analysis and injury prevention increased. AI began to play a significant role in climate change research and environmental monitoring. AI-driven predictive maintenance in manufacturing reduced downtime and costs. AI in retail customized shopping experiences and optimized supply chains. AI voice assistants became more natural sounding and context-aware. AI in legal services helped analyze documents and assisted in research. The rise of AI art challenged traditional notions of creativity and authorship. AI-driven content recommendation engines became more accurate and personalized. AI in logistics and transportation optimized routing and delivery operations. AI-driven chatbots and virtual assistants became more widespread in customer service. AI in energy management contributed to more efficient use of resources. AI-powered medical imaging tools improved diagnostic accuracy. AI in space exploration helped in data analysis and autonomous spacecraft operation. AI-enhanced surveillance systems raised discussions about privacy and ethics. AI in gaming led to more realistic and interactive game environments. AI-driven anomaly detection systems were used in various industries for early problem identification. AI in fashion helped in trend forecasting and personalized design recommendations. AI-driven language translation services became nearly indistinguishable from human translators. AI in advertising personalized ads and optimized campaign performance. AI in journalism was used for automated news writing and data journalism. AI-powered drones were used for surveillance, delivery, and inspection tasks. AI in e-commerce personalized shopping experiences and optimized inventory management. AI in audio processing led to high-quality speech synthesis and noise reduction. AI in pharmaceuticals accelerated drug discovery and development. AI for public safety applications improved emergency response and crime prevention. AI-driven market analysis and trading algorithms became more sophisticated. AI in entertainment personalized content recommendations and created new interactive experiences. AI-driven health and fitness apps provided personalized workout and diet plans. AI in real estate improved property valuation and customer experience. The use of AI in talent recruitment optimized hiring processes and candidate matching. AI in art restoration and preservation helped in analyzing and repairing artworks. AI-powered predictive analytics in business intelligence provided deeper insights. AI in waste management optimized collection routes and recycling processes. AI for social good initiatives addressed global challenges like poverty and healthcare. The ethical use of AI became a central topic in technology discussions. Augmented reality in 2023. Augmented reality applications on smartphones and tablets became more advanced and widespread. Augmented reality in retail for virtual try-on and product visualization enhanced customer experiences. Navigation and maps incorporated augmented reality for more intuitive and informative directions. Industrial augmented reality applications improved efficiency in manufacturing and maintenance. Augmented reality in education added interactive and engaging elements to traditional learning methods. Wearable augmented reality devices, like smart glasses, saw advancements in functionality and design. Augmented reality gaming continued to evolve, blending the physical and digital worlds more seamlessly. Augmented reality applications in art and museums created new interactive visitor experiences. Augmented reality for interior design and home improvement became increasingly popular. Augmented reality facial recognition and filters became more sophisticated in social media platforms. And augmented reality in healthcare for surgery assistance and patient education expanded. Augmented reality for public safety and emergency response provided real-time information overlay. Augmented reality in construction for on-site planning and visualization improved project efficiency. Live sports and events began integrating augmented reality for enhanced viewer experiences. Augmented reality in automotive for heads-up displays and design visualization advanced. Tourism and travel industries use augmented reality for enriching visitor experiences. Augmented reality in advertising and marketing created immersive and interactive campaigns. Augmented reality for remote assistance and training became more common in technical fields. Augmented reality storytelling in books and media provided an interactive reading experience. Augmented reality in environmental awareness and education offered engaging learning opportunities. Augmented reality in astronomy and space education brought the universe closer to learners. Augmented reality for personal fitness and health tracking integrated seamlessly with daily life. Augmented reality in employee training and development provided interactive learning experiences. Augmented reality for cultural heritage and historical sites offered enriched visitor experiences. Augmented reality in urban planning and development allowed for real-time visualization of projects. Augmented reality-based navigation systems for the visually impaired improved mobility and independence. Augmented reality in fashion and apparel for style visualization and customization grew in popularity. Augmented reality in agriculture for crop monitoring and management tools developed. Augmented reality-based interactive storytelling and gaming in children's education gained momentum. Augmented reality in wildlife and nature exploration offered educational and interactive experiences. Augmented reality and the beauty industry for virtual makeup and skincare trials became widespread. Augmented reality enhanced sports training and analytics tools provided advanced performance insights. Augmented reality for real-time translation and language learning tools became more accessible. Augmented reality in home automation and smart home interfaces provided intuitive control. Augmented reality in art creation and digital graffiti offered new forms of artistic expression. Augmented reality in cooking and recipe applications provided interactive kitchen assistance. Augmented reality for personal shopping assistance in malls and stores improved customer service. Augmented reality in journalism for immersive reporting and data visualization increased. Augmented reality-based escape games and interactive experiences grew in popularity. Augmented reality for professional networking and business card sharing offered innovative solutions. Augmented reality in package delivery and logistics for real-time tracking and management evolved. Augmented reality in filmmaking for special effects and scene visualization was increasingly used. Augmented reality-based fitness challenges and competitions promoted health and wellness. Augmented reality in music production for interactive sound mixing and effects developed. Augmented reality for plant identification and gardening tips became popular among hobbyists. Augmented reality in museum and gallery curation for interactive exhibits and art exploration grew. Augmented reality-based gamification in customer loyalty programs enhanced engagement. Augmented reality or interactive public art installations and urban beautification projects increased. Augmented reality in water sports for navigation, training, and safety information developed. Augmented reality-based virtual meeting and collaboration tools for remote work environments became more sophisticated. Virtual reality in 2023, VR technology advancements led to more realistic and immersive virtual environments. The VR gaming market expanded with new titles and experiences. Remote work and virtual meetings increasingly incorporated VR for enhanced collaboration. VR applications in education offered immersive and interactive learning experiences. Healthcare used VR for therapeutic applications, surgery training, and patient rehabilitation. Social VR platforms gained popularity, creating new forms of online communities. VR fitness programs provided engaging and effective workout experiences. The entertainment industry, including film and music, embraced VR for immersive storytelling. Affordable and user-friendly VR headsets increased VR's accessibility to the public. Wireless VR technology improved, enhancing user mobility and experience. VR in real estate allowed virtual property tours and architectural visualizations. VR and digital exhibitions became more prevalent in the art world. VR training simulations were widely adopted in various professional fields. The sports industry used VR for training, strategy analysis, and fan engagement. VR in travel and tourism offered virtual tours of distant locations. VR for mental health therapy provided new treatment options. VR experiences started to integrate more sensory feedback, like touch and smell. VR arcades and experience centers became more widespread. Multiplayer VR games and experiences enhanced social interaction in the virtual world. VR in automotive design and testing allowed for more efficient development processes. VR concerts and live events offered immersive entertainment experiences. VR in journalism provided immersive storytelling and news reporting. VR in museums and cultural heritage sites offered enhanced visitor experiences. Corporate training and skill development increasingly utilized VR simulations. VR escape rooms and adventure games became popular entertainment options. VR for language learning provided immersive and interactive environments. VR in public safety training improved preparedness for real-world scenarios. VR-based rehabilitation programs for stroke and injury recovery showed promising results. VR in architecture and interior design streamlined design processes and client presentations. VR enabled remote control of machinery, and robots expanded in various industries. VR in space exploration allowed for simulation-based training and mission planning. VR-based market research provided immersive consumer experience testing. VR in retail allowed customers to try products virtually. VR for event planning and management offered virtual venue previews and layouts. VR therapy for phobias and anxiety disorders became more widely accepted. VR in filmmaking for previsualization and special effects grew in popularity. VR gaming tournaments and esports events attracted large audiences. VR in emergency response training improved skills and readiness. VR-based art creation tools empowered artists to explore new creative mediums. VR in environmental education raised awareness about global issues. VR for product design and prototyping accelerated the development process. VR as a tool for mindfulness and meditation gained popularity. VR in astronomy and space education offered immersive learning experiences. VR enhanced fitness equipment, like bikes and treadmills, provided engaging workout options. VR in cooking and culinary training offered interactive recipe tutorials. VR in wildlife and nature exploration provided educational and conservation experiences. VR in fashion for virtual try-on and design became a trend. VR for remote drone operation and training was adopted in various sectors. VR in music production and sound engineering offered new creative possibilities. VR in urban planning and development facilitated better visualization and public engagement. Space technology in 2023, reusable rocket technology continued to advance, significantly reducing the cost of space launches. Private space companies played increasingly prominent roles in space exploration and satellite launches. The James Webb Space Telescope, operational since 2021, provided unprecedented views and data of the distant universe. Plans for manned missions to Mars were further developed by NASA and private space firms like SpaceX. Small satellites, or CubeSats, became more prevalent for scientific research and commercial use. Advances in spacesuits design increased mobility and safety for astronauts. The International Space Station continued to be a hub for international cooperation and research. Commercial space tourism became a reality with companies like SpaceX and Blue Origin offering suborbital flights. Satellite internet services, like SpaceX's Starlink, expanded to provide global broadband coverage. Efforts to clean up space debris gained importance due to the increasing congestion in Earth's orbit. New propulsion technologies, including ion thrusters, were in development to enable deeper space exploration. Lunar exploration missions increased, with several countries and private entities sending probes and rovers to the moon. The development of in-situ resource utilization technologies aimed to use local resources on the moon and Mars for sustainable exploration. AI and robotics played critical roles in space missions, from navigation to analyzing scientific data. Space-based solar power, a concept for collecting solar power in space for use on Earth, saw continued research and development. The Artemis program by NASA aimed to return humans to the moon and establish a sustainable lunar presence. 3D printing technology was increasingly used for creating spacecraft parts and potentially for building structures on other planets. The concept of space habitats for long-duration missions and potential space colonization was explored. Satellite technology was used extensively for environmental monitoring and climate change research. Breakthroughs in astrobiology searched for signs of life on other planets and moons. Quantum communication experiments in space aim to develop ultra-secure communication methods. The burgeoning field of space law addressed issues like space traffic management and asteroid mining. Space medicine research advanced to understand the effects of long-term space travel on human health. New telescopes and observatories were planned or constructed to study exoplanets and cosmic phenomena. Microgravity research in space led to advancements in materials science and biotechnology. The development of hypersonic flight technology had implications for both space travel and rapid Earth transport. Augmented and virtual reality technologies were used for astronaut training and mission simulations. Space agencies and companies collaborated internationally on asteroid deflection and planetary defense strategies. Investments in space startups increased, covering areas from satellite analytics to space habitat design. Water ice exploration on the Moon and Mars could provide resources for future manned missions. Space weather research and monitoring became crucial to protect satellites and astronauts. Nano-satellite swarms were proposed for advanced Earth observation and space science missions. The commercial satellite imaging market grew, aiding sectors from agriculture to urban planning. Mars rovers and landers continued to explore the Martian surface, sending back valuable data. Experiments in growing food in space environments were conducted for long-duration space missions. Developments in nuclear thermal propulsion promised faster travel times for deep space missions. Private companies began planning for space manufacturing, taking advantage of microgravity conditions. Studies of the psychological and social aspects of long-duration space missions gained importance. Advanced spacesuit designs incorporated new materials and life support technologies. Research in space-based manufacturing, like fiber optics and pharmaceuticals, showed potential benefits. The concept of space elevators, though still theoretical, continued to be a topic of interest. Earth observation satellites played a key role in disaster response and monitoring. Satellite quantum P distribution experiments aimed to establish secure communication channels. The search for Earth-like exoplanets continued, using advanced telescopes and detection methods. The use of VR in controlling lunar and Martian rovers from Earth was tested. Research in closed-loop life support systems was crucial for future Mars habitats. Advances in astrophysics deepened our understanding of black holes, dark matter, and the early universe. The development of autonomous robotic systems for satellite repair and maintenance in orbit was explored. Concepts for deep space habitats for human missions beyond the Moon were developed. The potential for mining asteroids for resources like water and metals was increasingly studied. We have provided a glimpse into the rapid advancements and diverse applications of blockchain, cryptocurrency, NFTs including ordinals and stamps, metaverse and virtual land, decentralized autonomous organizations, AI, R and VR, and space technologies in 2023, highlighting their transformative impact across various sectors. Happy New Year!